Good morning, people. How are you doing? Hope you people are fine. Guys, it's a very, very beautiful day, and today we are going to make chapatis. Guys, I'm going to do a bunch cooking, and I'm going to start with chapati. Today I'll start with chapati, and then tomorrow I'll do the rest of the meals.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong.
Morning, my people. Hope you people are doing fine. I'm also doing good. Guys, today I wake up very, very, very lazy. Like, I wake up very, very lazy. I wasn't even able to prepare a nice breakfast for my son. But I know he will get something good when he come out of school. So guys, today I'm going to cook chapati, and I thought, whether I'm lazy or not, I must take something nice for myself so that I can be able to have energy to cook chapati. Sometimes it's good to take care of yourself, people. So guys, after this, I'm going to cook a very special chapati. And I'm going to cook a lot of chapati because it's a bunch food I'm cooking, and I'm cooking the chapati that we can eat for a month or so, a month or 3 weeks. So guys, stay tuned and hope you're gonna enjoy the process. How you hold the pen like this, then you write, say man, Broden, Brayville. That's your family members. Say family members. How many are you in your family? Say 3. We have mom, Broden, and Brayville. 3 family members. Yeah? Mom, Broden. Let me show you. Right, Broden. Broden, mom. So guys, here is our flour. We're gonna mix it very, very, very well. And then from there, we're gonna add our salt. You can use 1 tablespoon of salt, or 2 or 3. It depends the size of your flour. Then from there, I'm gonna add some sugar on it. I'll put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Most of the people don't like sugar, but for me, sugar is the real deal. Sugar is the real deal, but I don't put a lot. Just a little is enough for taste. So guys, I'll mix it very, very well, and then from there, I'll add my water. I'll use the mwiko, the cooking stick, because the water is a little bit hot. So I'll mix it, and then I'll add some more water to make it too soft, yeah? I think the flour is a lot. I'll mix it. I think I'll use my hands. It's not that hot. I'll use my hands to mix, adding some flour. I mix, adding some flour. I mix, and then some oil. I mix it until it's too soft, until I see my hands it's very, very clean. As you can see, my hands is clean, the basin is clean. That means our flour is ready to be cooked. From there, I'm covering it with a clean hand towel, and then on top of it, I'll add a plate. So guys, I'm going to leave it for some few hours, and then from there I'll start making my balls. Inaitwa balls? I don't know. I'll start making my balls so that, not balls. So that nijue zitatoka chapati ngapi. Mathematics. Kuwatch Akili Kids sana, effects za Akili Kids. So I'm going to roll my chapati. Is it chapatis ama unga? Whichever way, so long as you understand. So while I was rolling, I noticed my pan is too small for this chapati. So I'm going to divide them by 2. Like one bowl, itoe 2 chapatis. Because my pan is too small to handle it. Yeah? Guys, I'm loving these chapatis already. So I'll continue rolling them nikizikausha. Guys, napenda kukausha chapati before nipake mafuta because it makes my work very, very easy, and I think it's fast. So guys, nazikausha while rolling it until they're over. Now it's only 2 remaining. Yeah? Just two remaining. I'm almost done. Guys, remaining 2. The last work is here. Guys, thank you for Soko Unga because it has made my work very easy. My chapati is very, very soft for that case. Thank you so much, Soko. I don't know which kind of flour you are using, but I'll recommend Soko for you people. It's the best. How I learned to cook chapati. One of my friends, she's a good chef. Actually, she was supposed to come to cook these chapatis yesterday, but she didn't come. So when next time she come, I'll pinch her ears. She was to come to cook chapati and mandazi. Guys, I told you I'm doing the bunch cooking in every meal. That's why I did the timetable. I want to do a bunch cooking maybe for the whole month. I know it's the mid of the month, but I'll try my best. The next time I do another bunch cooking is next month in the mid of the month. So guys, I want to be doing the bunch cooking. Actually, it's hard to cook every day and you have a very tight schedule. So sometimes una decide hadi kukula indomie because it's fast and easy like to prepare, and it's not actually healthy. Alafu doing a bunch cooking and having a timetable, sometimes it helps because you won't repeat the same food every day. Like, have you ever eat something adi when you see it you don't want to eat again? Yeah, so doing bunch cooking helps. You won't eat the same food every day. At least you will be changing, and that's very, very nice, guys. So for us, this chapati, we are hoping to eat it 3 weeks, like 3 times. 3 Mondays, and not 3 Mondays alone, actually. 3 Mondays and no, maybe 2 Mondays and 2 breakfasts. I have chapati, and as you can see on my timetable, don't know if inaonekana vizuri. We have chapati and uji on Wednesday morning. So I don't know if it will be enough for 3 weeks or 2 weeks. I'll see. We are not at the moment, it's just the 3 of us. And baby Breville akona maringo sana, hata I don't think if she'll eat these chapatis. I'll try my best for her to eat, but I normally don't count her because she has her own food. Like sometimes when I cook, I have to prepare another small simple meal for her, or sometimes she want to eat with a bit, sometimes she want to eat. So for her, I don't count her. So it's just the 2 of us, 2 grown-ups, yeah. And guys, sinaona venye zinakatika. I think it's too light. Hadi zinaka pancake. I don't know where I messed up, but next time I'll try my best to look at that mistake. So here is our chapati. Here is our chapati for the guys. This is the beef stew and vegetable. It's the steamed vegetable. Inaitwa skuma in Kiswahili. So guys, this is our final results, and thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of our journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.